Hello there, Chuck. Ever wanted to look a bit more polished, but all those makeup products seem overwhelming? Looking smashing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the best look is just you, on your best day. That's what we call Barely There Glam. It's about celebrating your own lovely face, not hiding it. People won't see a lot of makeup. They'll just see you, looking absolutely brilliant. This look is perfect for beginners. Just a few easy steps, no tricky techniques. The best part? It's nearly impossible to get wrong. No need to worry about bold colors or wonky lines. It's about feeling good in your own skin. We'll walk through it all, step by simple step. From prepping your skin to the final flourish. You'll feel more confident and ready to face the day with a smile. So grab your tools. Just a few trusty items will do. Ready to begin? Splendid. Let's create a bit of everyday magic. Before makeup, we prep our canvas. Your lovely face. Happy skin is the secret to great makeup. You don't need a complicated routine. Start with a gentle cleanser to wash away sleepiness and freshen up. Pat dry with a soft towel. Be kind to your skin. Next, moisturizer. It's like a drink of water for your face, making it soft and comfortable. Massage it in gently and let it sink for a minute. This helps makeup glide on smoothly and gives you that healthy, dewy look. Finally, sunscreen. Every single day, even if it's cloudy. Sunscreen protects your skin and keeps it looking youthful. Think of it as your trusty shield. With your skin prepped and protected, you're ready for the fun part. Let's get started. Now that your skin is happy, let's talk foundation. For a barely there look, skip the heavy stuff. Go for tinted moisturizer, BB cream, or skin tint. These even out your skin tone without hiding your natural glow. Test shades along your jawline. The right one disappears into your skin. Use clean fingers to apply a small amount. Dot on forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Blend outwards with gentle motions, including a bit down your neck. Remember, less is more. Start small. You can always add a touch more. You might only need coverage in certain areas, like the center of your face. The goal isn't perfection, it's your skin, just a bit more even. See? Simple and natural. Foundation done, and you still look like you. On to the next step. Sometimes little spots or dark circles pop up. That's where concealer comes in. Think of it as a magic wand for tiny troubles. Use it only where you need it. Dot concealer on blemishes or under-eye shadows, not all over. Choose a shade that matches your skin or foundation. For under eyes, a touch lighter is fine. Use your ring finger to gently tap the concealer in. No rubbing. Tapping blends it seamlessly, so it melts into your skin. For blemishes, tap around the edges to blend. The idea, no one can tell you're wearing it. Your skin looks clear and bright, but still natural. By using concealer only where needed, your real skin shines through. A little bit of magic, right where it counts. Let's add some color next. Time to add a healthy glow. A touch of blush and a hint of lip color bring life to your face. Choose soft, natural shades. Think gentle pinks or peaches for cheeks. Cream blush is easy dab on the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards with your fingers. Start with a tiny amount and build up slowly for a natural flush. If you overdo it, just tap with a clean finger to soften. For lips, pick a tinted balm or sheer lipstick close to your natural color. Dab it on for a soft, polished look. This keeps lips feeling comfy and adds effortless color. It's a simple trick that makes you look instantly more awake. Cheeks and lips done. Fresh and vibrant. Now, let's make your eyes pop. Let's brighten your eyes with a few easy steps. Use a single neutral eyeshadow. Soft brown, taupe, or rosy beige, swept over your lids. This adds subtle depth and makes your eyes stand out. For definition, try tightlining. Use a brown or gray pencil right at the roots of your top lashes. No harsh lines, just a fuller-looking lash line. Finish with a coat or two of mascara, wiggling the wand at the base and pulling through to the tips. Brown mascara looks soft and natural. Avoid clumps. You want fluttery, defined lashes. These simple steps make your eyes look bigger and brighter. No one will know your secret, just that your eyes sparkle. Easy, right? Let's finish with brows and staying power. Final touches. Brows frame your face. Keep them tidy and natural. Use a tinted brow gel to brush hairs into place and add a hint of color. If needed, fill sparse spots with a soft pencil using light, hair-like strokes. The goal, groomed, not drawn on. To make your look last, skip heavy powder. Instead, spritz on a setting spray. It locks in your makeup and keeps your skin looking fresh. Take a look in the mirror. You see you, just brighter and more confident. Remember, makeup is about feeling good, not hiding. Anyone can master these simple steps. Go on, give it a try. You'll be amazed at the difference. Cracking job.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.